When you're giving a presentation, you need to keep things interesting. Animations are a great way to do that, and they're easy to build. They bring new life to your slides and keep any audience engaged. Hi, I'm Andrew Childress from Envato Tuts Plus. In this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly add animations to PowerPoint PPT presentations. It's easy and it helps you build stunning slides on any topic. To get started, your best bet is to use a premium animated PowerPoint template from Envato Elements. Elements offers an unbeatable plan for creatives, unlimited downloads. For a flat monthly rate, you can download as many PowerPoint animation templates as you want. Plus, Elements offers countless other digital assets, stock photos, fonts, music, and more. These perfectly complement your PPT animated slides. Subscribe to Envato Tuts Plus today for more helpful videos just like this. For this tutorial, we'll use the orange animated PowerPoint template from Envato Elements. I have it downloaded and open in PowerPoint here. As you can see, this one includes dozens of custom slide designs. Many are pre-animated and you can add your own animation designs easily. Animations are divided into two categories: entrances and exits. Entrances bring content onto a slide. Exits move content off of a slide. These are stylish ways to keep your presentations flowing and moving at your own chosen pace. Let's start on a slide here and add our first animation. To demonstrate, let's add an entrance animation to this picture here on the left side. To add an animation, click on an object as you're seeing me do here. Then it's time to open the Animations tab. This is the control center for animations in PowerPoint, and you'll find it on the ribbon here at the top. I'll go ahead and click on Animations, and now I can add animation effects. These star icons on the left represent different animation options. It's a good idea to choose more basic effects. More advanced animations can be distracting and clutter up your slides. For this example, let's choose a simple fade. To apply it, I'll click Fade here, and you'll see PowerPoint add and preview the animation on the image. You'll also see this tiny number 1 here in the corner, signifying that the object is animated. Like the image we're using? Well, this is a good time to revisit the powerful Envato Elements offer. As a subscriber, you have unlimited access to millions of beautiful stock photos. They're the perfect way to illustrate your presentations in a new and creative style. Browse the vast library of photos and download your favorites today. Back on the slide, let's repeat the same steps from before, this time animating the text box here on the right side. This time, we'll look at more PowerPoint animations. With the text box selected, you can return to the Animations tab. This time, click on the drop-down arrow here in the gallery. A drop-down will launch, showing off the full array of PPT animations. Choose any of them to apply it to the text. As you can see, it's easy to animate any object in PowerPoint. Jumping ahead here, I've added more animations to the slide. With several in place, you'll often want to change up the order of the animations. To do this, be sure you're still on the Animations tab. Then click on Animation Pane, found here in the Advanced Animation section at the top. You'll see a new sidebar open here on the right. This is the Animation Pane, and it controls animation sequencing in PowerPoint. Notice that the photo animation has a 1 beside it, while the text box has a number 2. The other effects added earlier are listed below. To change up the sequence, simply click and drag on an animation, then drop it into a new position as you're seeing me do here. This step is easily repeated, making it a breeze to completely alter the order of animations on any slide in the deck. Finally, you can control how and when animations appear on your slides. These options live up here in the Timing section of the Animation tab. By default, animations in PowerPoint start on clicking. In other words, your mouse or clicker will trigger effects one by one. But with these arrows and drop-downs, you can add custom settings. For example, I can click here on the Start drop-down and choose to have an animation start after the previous animation. This automates the flow of your presentation and saves you a few clicks. Again, these options work with any animation effect that you add. As you can see, adding animations is quick and easy in PowerPoint. That's all thanks to premium templates from Envato Elements. With thousands of stunning designs to choose from, you're sure to find one that's perfect for your next presentation. Once you've downloaded it, add animations with the powerful features built into PowerPoint. Just remember, it's best to use simpler, more basic effects. They complement content without distracting your audience. And always keep in mind that less is more. Too many animations can get overwhelming. Add your favorite effects and control how they appear using the Animation Pane. Before you go, don't forget to click like on this video. Then be sure to subscribe to our Envato Tuts Plus YouTube channel. On it, you'll find more helpful tutorials just like this one. Plus, you'll enjoy content collections, courses, and so much more. It's your best bet for design inspiration. I'm Andrew Childress for Envato Tuts Plus, and thanks again for joining me.